Anurag Kashyap's look changed after angioplasty. If we talk about Indian cinema, some names are known for their amazing work in cinema. One of them is Anurag Kashyap. He is a famous Indian filmmaker, producer, writer, editor, and actor known for his amazing works in Hindi cinema. He has been awarded several national and Filmfare awards. But did you know that this famous director is dealing with a disease? Did you know that he had undergone a major operation? Yes, you heard it right. Anurag Kashyap had undergone a major operation recently. So without wasting time, let's start the video and watch out for what happened to him. Anurag Kashyap is a big name in Hindi cinema. He is famous for directing critically acclaimed movies such as Black Friday, Gangs of Wasseypur, Raman Raghav 2.0, among others. He has directed some very famous movies which worked well at ticket windows like Lust Stories, Dev D, and many more. Recently, Anurag Kashyap went through angioplasty. Angioplasty is a procedure to restore blood flow through the artery. According to the source, a close friend of Anurag has revealed that the director consulted a doctor after he had mild chest pain and discomfort. The doctor advised him to rest for a couple of days. After a few days, when he didn't feel better, he went to the doctor again, and this time the doctor suggested angioplasty. One of his close ones discloses that the angioplasty has been done and now he is back home and recuperating. His daughter Alia Kashyap, who is studying in the US, recently returned to Mumbai and shared a photo on her Instagram story in which Anurag Kashyap is looking completely different. Alia has also shared a short video clip on her Instagram story in which we can see the new look of Anurag Kashyap. That video is giving fans a glimpse of the filmmaker. In the clip, he is seen smiling and is wearing a blue t-shirt with a black mask hanging around his neck. The director is looking bald in the video and has bushy eyebrows also. Anurag is looking different and fans are considering this as his new avatar. The famous director of Gangs of Wasseypur is doing fine now. The 48-year-old director has been advised to continue resting for the next few weeks. Anurag Kashyap is well known for his popular movies like Bombay Velvet, Ugly, Mann Marziyan, and so on. He is known as one of the creative and talented filmmakers of Hindi cinema. The filmmaker is currently working on Dobara, featuring his Mann Marziyan star Taapsee Pannu and Pavel Gulati. Well, his fans are praying for his speedy recovery, and we wish the same for him. As he is one of the talented directors of Bollywood, we as an audience expect more content from his side. That is all for this video. Before we go, please subscribe to our channel and also smash the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. And also do not forget to wear a mask. Stay safe and stay home.